Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You're going to act fast. First, make a quick backup and check warranty, then lower screen brightness to 30 to 50% so you don't stress pixels. Once done, plug the device into power and close background apps. This stabilizes voltage and prevents interruptions. You'll run a pixel restoration routine now. Open a Burn-in Fixer app or built-in pixel refresher and start a short test cycle to identify affected areas. This initial run establishes baseline behavior and prevents accidental damage. Now execute the main restoration. Use a color cycle mode that alternates red, green, blue, white, and black. Run each color for 10 to 30 minutes to exercise stuck subpixels. After that, switch to a full-screen gray or subtle gradient for 2 to 4 hours. This evens pixel wear and helps trap charge dissipate. Make sure to check progress every 30 to 60 minutes and pause if you see anomalies. If you have a manufacturer pixel refresher, run its intensive mode once completed to recalibrate. Finish by running uniform test images and compare the display to your initial baseline photos. You'll see fading or disappearance of burn-in if successful. If improvement is partial, repeat the restoration cycles up to 3 times across a couple of days, making sure to alternate color cycling and gray phases. If there's no meaningful change, contact support or pursue a repair or replacement under warranty. Troubleshooting tip: persistent ghosting often means permanent wear. Don't overdrive the screen and seek professional diagnosis.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.